Hello friends, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create setup file in C# Windows Form application using Visual Studio 2022. This is the Windows application. I will create setup file with this application. So go to the extension menu, click on manage extension, and now installer, right, installer. This is Microsoft Visual Studio installer. Click on install. Yes, it's installing, please wait. Okay, now close the Visual Studio. BSIX installer window is open. Now click on modify. Okay, the Microsoft Visual Studio Community Edition installer is successfully installed. Start Visual Studio again and open the project. Test Windows F. Yes, it's open. Now go to the Solution Explorer, right click on the solution and add new project. Start setup project. Yes, click on setup project and next. Name the project name is test setup and the location is D Visual Studio F. The setup project will be created in the Visual Studio F. Click on create. Yes, it's created successfully. Now select application folder. Now it's default empty. Right click and click on add project output. Click on primary output and then click on OK. Yes, the primary output added. I can see in the solution. Now I am adding icon. I already prepared a icon located in the download folder, myicon.ico, with the name myicon.ico. Paste. Yes, it's pasted in the application folder. Now I'm going to create shortcut. Right click on the primary output, create shortcut. Name the shortcut name is myf. Now select the shortcut and go to the property window to add icon in the shortcut. Browse, open the application folder. This is the myicon.ico. Please select and click on OK. OK again. Yes, the shortcut is added. Yes, the icon is added in the shortcut myf. Now drag the myf shortcut and drop it in the user's desktop folder. Add one more shortcut. The same name is myf and add icon. Yes, browse application folder. Okay, the icon also added in the shortcut. Now drag the shortcut and drop it in the users program menu. Yes, the shortcut is added in the users program menu. Now select the test setup, go to the property and name the author name will be Swift Learn. Okay, and manufacturer also Swift Learn. Yes, it's added. Now right click on the test setup in the solution and click on build. Okay, it's build succeeded and build completed. Now go to the directory where the setup application setup project is created. Directory is D drive Visual Studio F folder test setup. Yes, open and open the debug folder. This is the setup file. Install. Click on next. Select everyone. This is the directory where it will be installed. Click on next. Yes, it's installing. Close the close button. Install successfully installed. Now click close to exit. Yes, see that the icon is displaying in the desktop. This is the application. Run the application. Yes, this is the application what I created setup file. Thanks for watching. Click. Yes, it's displaying thanks for watching. Okay, hope you understand it well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. See you in the next video.